What are we jamming out to?
Taylor Swift and No Problems.
Oh, wow. I did want to stop you though because I did think you were beautiful.
Oh, thank you. That's so sweet of
Oh,
you.
there's an accent there.
No. I'm
Oh, that was very Canadian.
No.
Came out, thank you, like.
No, I'm born and raised here.
Really?
Yeah.
Ocean eyes as well.
Yeah.
Wow.
Do you study?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you studying?
Law and journalism, double?
Won't be winning an argument with you then.
Yeah, what do you do?
Oyster shucking.
Oh, cool. At uni?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
There's basically, you know, heaps of different species and stuff, so.
Oh, cool. Good for you. That's awesome.
Yeah. You reckon you can help me out with a survey quickly, for like 10 seconds on my phone?
Sure.
Cool. What are you up to today?
Just gotta finish up a bunch of assignments.
Really?
Yeah.
Are you late?
Say what?
Are you late on your assignments?
Oh, very late. Yeah.
One of them, hey?
Yeah, massive day.
What's your name?
Amelia.
Amelia. Perfect.
Is my phone number?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're not a serial killer?
I don't know.
Okay.
There's some crazy people out here, am I right?
Do you really study oyster sharking?
Yeah. It's an actual class. It's one of the electives here, you know. Many different species of oysters. You know, some oysters are better for oysters Kilpatrick with the bacon and the cheese on top.
I'm familiar
you
with
know.
an oysters Kilpatrick.
You are? Maybe we can get oysters Kilpatrick one day, you know.
Alright, well you have
Perfect.
a lovely day.
You too.
Enjoy.
We're back yet again, and today it's a bit of an interesting one, but this is, hey, can you help me fill out this survey? Hey Blue Top, how are you?
Oh, good. How
Yeah,
are you?
I'm new. How are you?
Sorry?
I'm new.
You're new?
Yeah.
Oh, so you, what, just
Just to the uni, so.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
I just thought I'd come and introduce myself. How are you?
Good.
It's good. I'm Dylan.
I'm May. Nice to meet you.
May.
Yeah.
Nice, May. Well, you're looking very beautiful today, May.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, no worries. Yeah. What are you doing?
Well, I'm trying to do.
Do you mind if I sit?
Yeah, sure. I'm trying to do my law lecture from.
Ooh, law.
Yeah.
I won't win it now. But I was wondering if you could help me out with this survey that I've got. Is that okay? It's a quick 10-second survey. Could you help me out by, is it May?
Yeah.
For May. And yeah.
Sorry, but I am like.
Hey?
I'm seeing someone at
Oh.
away.
Is that a rejection?
I'm really sorry.
Oh.
I'm gonna say no. I'm not. What are you studying?
Me? Oyster shucking. Can I get your Instagram at least?
Sure. I
Awesome.
guess.
Alright, May. Well, you put it in. Well, lovely meeting you.
Do you have a class now or something?
I'm about to go and see a buddy,
Oh, nice.
but yeah. It's really nice meeting you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
May.
See you later.
May I see you later?
Hello?
Don't tell me you're listening to Taylor Swift as well.
No.
Oh, someone's listening to Taylor Swift over there and I'm like, oh!
Oh, okay.
You know, like what's that song? It's like, I don't know, the love song.
Oh,
I'm bad at names. Anyway, I thought you were gorgeous, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I thought I'd stop and introduce myself.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for a group assignment.
Nice. Group assignment.
Well, I have to go meet them. Yeah,
And you don't want to?
Uh,
Are you the one that doesn't do the work or the one that does all the work?
In between. I just don't know what they are, so I'm just waiting for an answer.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Would you mind helping me out with a survey? 10 seconds?
Yeah?
Yeah? You would? What's your name?
Lily.
Lily? Dylan.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, lovely to meet you. So it's Lily, L-I-Y, L-I-L-Y,
L-I-L-Y, yeah.
L-A, sorry?
L-I-L-Y.
L-I-L-I.
Why?
Why? Oh.
I do have a boyfriend.
But that's a survey!
I'm sorry. It's smooth, it's smooth.
Oh, thank
Yeah, I
you.
have a
Really?
boyfriend.
What did you have for dinner last night?
Oh, curry?
Curry? Are you gonna have curry again tonight?
At my boyfriend's probably.
You are? Oh,
Yeah.
I was going to say, like, when you get sick of curry, you wouldn't have the same thing again.
Okay.
So you can call me, you know.
Thank you. That was smooth.
I'm a bit heartbroken, but...
You'll be right.
Oh, we look super happy today. Super happy. How are we?
I was just thinking.
Am I bedazzling your day or what?
I was just thinking more Christmas. I was like, get him. I think I have the biggest resting bitch face. I was literally thinking, I was like, I feel like I look like such a grumpy old bat today. So
Well,
that's really funny because I was just thinking about it.
if that's what you're trying to do.
I'm in a good
It's
mood
working.
inside.
No.
We're just tired. We're just tired.
What's your name?
Taylor. We're both Taylor.
Taylor.
Tay and Tay.
Yeah.
Dylan.
Just I'm Taylor. A-H.
A-H.
T-A-Y-L-A-H. T-A-Y-L-A-H.
T-Y-L-A-H. Right, okay. You
The
are...
happy girls on campus.
Are you though?
Happy Tay.
Are you though? Where's the smile, Tay?
Not here.
There we go. Let's go. She's got it now. We're all good. What are we studying?
Engineering.
Engineering.
Engineering business. Engineering
Ooh.
architecture.
So I expect you to be on the F1 Formula 1 team?
No.
No? For Ferrari?
Different type of. I'm probably going to do civil.
We don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, no.
We'll see.
Yeah, right. Okay, cool. Well, I thought you were like you were gorgeous, both of you, and I want to get both your numbers, and then potentially we'll, you know, hang out, study session, see where
you
things go. Me, oyster shucking.
Pardon?
Oyster shucking. So there's hundreds of species of oysters, and the way you open them is different, so you don't ruin the oyster and you keep it alive for the restaurant. So yeah, basically I do that. You know, there's different oysters for Oyster Kilpatrick and all that sort of thing. So, you know, but I have a survey for you guys to fill out. You just got to fill it out for me.
I've ever eaten an oyster.
No.
You haven't eaten it? I don't like the taste of them, but I'm learning to shuck them. So, you know.
What's that?
Tay,
Which Tay?
I'll just get yours and then I have both of you anyway.
1 and 2.
Fill that survey out, please. Team Et.
You're putting it in the same.
Oh, you're putting the number in as well? Okay, yeah. Yeah, put it under Tay. Actually, put Tay Tay. Do you guys get that for short, Tay Tay? Or for long? Tay Tay, and then I know it's both Tays.
Okay.
Okay, put it under email.
I actually can't. I was literally just thinking. I was going to say that loud to you. I was like, I feel like I look so miserable today. And I just kept it inside, and you just broke my mind.
Well,
Anyway.
I've made you smile today, so yeah. I hope you guys have a good day. What are you heading off now?
Home.
Home?
Because we're in
Had
just that bad of a mood.
Do you live together?
We live a
We're
couple
like
streets
around
away.
the corner.
So I was going to say, how do you label things? Like Tay and Taylor? Or
We should live together.
We'll move out.
yeah, look at me go. I'm encouraging.
Ideas.
We live like 3 streets away. We
Yeah.
just carpool on Wednesdays. We have the same
great.
timetable. 2 lectures in a row, and then we head home.
All right, it's Tay's time for the fuel.
Yeah, I'm paying parking today.
Paying parking. Tay's paying parking. Tay's paying for the
I'll
fuel.
probably drive next week.
So Taylor's driving next week, and then Taylor will drive the week after.
Yeah. Got it. Nailed it.
Pretty easy to
Got it?
organise, isn't it? We've done that. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna hang out.
My phone's in here, so I was
Whoa!
Your phone's where? Oh. That's
like
that.
holding it up.
You guys have a lovely day.
You too.
It's actually a social experiment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I basically do social interactions. Sus. Done. If you guys want to be featured in the next video, go to the latest post on my Instagram, comment your video idea, and you'll be featured in the next one. But I had fun with this one, and I've been doing YouTube for, I don't know, a good 10 years, and the growth on this channel is outstanding. Absolutely outstanding. So thank you for the support. But I'm out. Sayonara. Au revoir. Adios. Salam. Ciao. Goodbye.